how to create an Amazon wish list and share it step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about Amazon and how you can create a wish list on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Amazon.com and obviously choose the products that you want to make a list on. So let's say I'm going to go in gaming chairs and I want to make a whole category and collection or list of gaming chairs. So I'm going to go with the, whatever product or design I like best. And once I like what I see, what you're going to do is you're going to go on the account section, make sure you're signed in. And here it says create a list, and you're going to click on create a list. Okay. And once you create a list, it says wish list. So this is for all your shopping lists, and it's a wish list. So, you can let people know what gifts you would actually like. So you create a wish list and you can then copy its link and share it to people. So just choose your ideal lists, and from there on out it should be really easy. It should give you a link and you can send it out to people, and that is how you can create a wish list on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.